my dad.
Good evening, ladies. And welcome to Lopez Manor. Please store all of your belongings in the drawing room. Tut-tut! Mad cow and God save the queen. Ándale.
Hey, how do I look?
Way too hot.
Thank you, honey.
Hey, Angie, how come you never wear that sweatshirt that I brought you from Death Valley?
I'll see you later.
You know what you would look great in? Your wedding dress.
Love you.